Hello and welcome to my channel. Today we will explore the most mysterious and fascinating phenomena of nature that even science struggles to explain. If you're ready, let's embark on a journey into the unknown. One door to hell, Derwest of Turkmenistan. First identified by Soviet engineers in 1971, the door to hell is located in the middle of the Karakum Desert, about 260 kilometers north of Ashgabat, the capital of Turkmenistan. Very little is known about this natural gas crater, and the information in official records is quite sketchy. In 1971, a cave suddenly appeared at the site where the door to hell is now located. Geologist Bush Mencken thought it was an important oil field. However, the oil drilling rig collapsed into the crater, releasing a toxic cloud of methane gas that spread to rural areas. The engineers had no other option. They deliberately set the gas on fire to prevent an environmental disaster. This crater is 70 meters wide and 20 meters deep. To this day, the reason why this crater continues to burn is not fully understood. However, the controlled burning of the gas was seen as the most suitable solution to prevent an environmental disaster. Therefore, the door to hell has been burning for more than half a century, and this impressive natural phenomenon attracts tourists from all over the world. Two fairy circles, Namibia. The arid grasslands of the Namib Desert in southern Africa stretch over an area of 2,000 kilometers, filled with mystical and scientific controversies. This region has many interesting features found only here, such as the Welwitschia plant, a living fossil. However, one of the region's greatest and most eerie mysteries is the legendary fairy circles. In an area of 2,500 square kilometers, there are over 1 million perfectly round circles, geometrically arranged and ranging in diameter from 2 to 15 meters. These circles on the bare soil form a complex pattern and appear almost man-made due to their arrangement. A geologist describes this phenomenon as follows. The reason for these mysterious and earthly formations is a fact that no one knows. There are many theories about this. Some are logical, while others are far from reason and logic. Hypotheses such as radioactive contamination and plant toxins have been proposed. Additionally, the local people tend to believe that these circles are the footprints of the gods. 3. Guatemala sinkhole. Sinkholes are natural formations of our geological structures and can be man-made, but they often result from a natural process known as karst. Karst is the chemical dissolution of carbonate rocks. Sinkholes can generally range in diameter and depth from 1 meter to 550 meters. In recent years, there has been an increase in the number of sinkholes. For example, in 2017, a disaster occurred in Florida with the formation of 11 sinkholes, similar to the more than 30 sinkholes that formed in 2016. Generally, these shallow holes can be found everywhere, but the sinkhole in Guatemala is an exception. In 2010, a major disaster occurred in the Zona 2 region of Guatemala. According to a newspaper report, more than 15 people lost their lives in this event, and more than 300 people had to be evacuated. This sinkhole swallowed a multi-story factory and created a hole 20 meters wide and 90 meters deep. To this day, the exact cause of this sinkhole's formation has not been understood. However, various theories have been proposed, ranging from the heavy rains of the tropical Agatha storm to sewer pipe leaks and even an inner crust volcanic eruption. 4. Frozen methane bubbles, Canada. Canada's frozen methane bubbles have been described by the press as ice capsules, jellyfish, frozen flying saucers, and even stuffed pizzas. Despite these interesting descriptions, these bubbles have not attracted much attention worldwide. Methane bubbles are typically found in lakes in the high northern latitudes of Alberta. This striking and potentially dangerous greenhouse gas not only warms the planet, but is also highly flammable. This natural phenomenon is still not fully explained scientifically. It is unknown whether the bubbles originate from a natural gas cave beneath the region or from bacteria that consume biological material and produce methane. Some theories even suggest that these bubbles could be food produced by aliens. However, one thing is certain. These mysterious bubbles add a fascinating beauty to the landscape they are found in. 5. Pink Lake Hillier, Australia. In Western Australia, there is a unique visual landscape that offers a sacred photo opportunity for Instagrammers. Nestled within an emerald green landscape and surrounded by the intense and deep sapphire blue of the ocean, this area has a natural beauty that captivates every visitor. One of the most well-known lakes in this region is Lake Hillier, which stands out with its bubblegum pink color. Lake Hillier is located on the edge of Middle Island in the Recherche Archipelago, surrounded by a thin ring of sand. Geologist James notes that the exact reason for the lake's pink color has not been definitively explained. It is believed that the lake contains organisms known as halobacteria, which are microorganisms with high levels of beta-carotene. These organisms produce pink pigments in salty waters. However, the exact cause of the lake's bright pink color is still not fully understood. 6 Great Whirlpools. Whirlpools were described in Homer's Odyssey before they were known by this name. In the Odyssey, characters on their journey back to Ithaca must face a terrifying sea monster. This creature, lying beneath the ocean, opens its circular jaws and swallows ships. Homer says that this mythical creature is located in the Strait of Messina. Centuries later, an international shipping company discovered a whirlpool in this area, which seems to confirm the accuracy of Greek mythology. Whirlpools are extremely powerful sea events caused by the collision of storm currents with countercurrents. These events create a pulling force toward the center. Naval officer Antoni Sitt explains it this way. What makes this sea monster attractive is the fact that they cannot appear everywhere. We have prepared some charts on maps, but some of them can simply mislead you, and a whirlpool can suddenly form under your ship. Today, we explored natural phenomena that even science struggles to explain. Sinkholes, whirlpools, and more have once again revealed how fascinating and complex nature truly is. These events remind us of how vast and full of unknowns our universe is. Thank you for watching my video. If you want to see more content like this, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like the video. See you in the next video. Goodbye.